there.
Where?
There's a pot down
we'll
there.
go down. We'll
You
go
didn't see
down.
the ladder?
You can. There's this one stairs.
I never seen this much green in my life.
See, you never seen this much greenery. Oo. Yan na pala ko na yan pakakita yung greenery.
There's a pool.
Never since in this life this much greenery. Kaya
Green.
oo, kanya nakikita dito puro mga babta. Mga mato. Ay ba klase ng pine tree?
Except that one time it
Okay, let's go. We'll go down.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy, this is my first time. I take video. Why really?
Tara, yan. Ito masira dito.
You take back video. No. You do it to your mom. No. No. You take back video.
Ah, wala ganyan. Bukid nila. Hindi nga yan. View.
So green.
Bakit hindi na yun?
So green. Look at the pine trees.
Oh,
Mga bahay. Dito ang lake talaga.
Show me down there.
Kahapon, di ba punta kayo tayo? Ano tayo kahapon dyan? Hindi mo makita yan.
Oy, may ano?
Wala, wala.
How do we get down?
Wala rin.
My bridge.
Oh, wala.
Dada, first time ko na niya makakita this much greenery.
Yeah.
Fountain. Mag-bawal na pumunta dyan.
Bawal, ayan pa may tulay pa dyan, oh.
Oh, it's called Enchanted.
Ah, sarado.
Ah, close?
Ano daw lang yung sisilig na ha? What is that?
Green.
Yeah, that's a castle. Mga, ay, mga kuwang ka diya, oh, mga balay, mga hotel na da dito yung larong.
Meron pa dun, oh, may giraffe. Ganda pa ganun pa. Giraffe? How to see that?
Mga hotel siguro to, oh, sa baba. Kahapon din namin. Ayun! Arabella, that is I think the Taal. Here, come here. Look, come here. This one, that's the Taal volcano.
I saw Taal.
Kaya may mga ilaw na siguro pag gabi. Oh. Uy, bawal tumungtong dyan. Yeah. Bawal mailaw yan.
Pagkakang, kada mo.
Pag gabi. Oh, mga badyang talaga. Oh. Tara, punta tayo dito.
Mama, Taal volcano is the smallest volcano in the world, right?
Yeah, but that is the most powerful.
Most powerful and the smallest volcano? That's weird.
Maybe. Uwa? Hain ka, uwa. Nga dikit.
Padyang yan. Padyang yan. Yan ang padyang. Matik yan.
Ini daw mo may nato, uwa. No, ini nga. Sigot. Ayan siya, MO. That's the Taal volcano.
Doon nga manapit yan.
BTW, that's Turns out Taal volcano is actually the smallest volcano on Earth, but the strongest, smallest volcano on Earth.
Sa Georgia, ganun din.
Ano, abanti kita, abanti ba nyo ito tigharani?
Mga ganun din. Kala mo patag mo pala.
Yung mga hindi abantihan, awara na ada nga to, ano.
There's even grass on the steps.
Mga kuhan di mga coffee shop, restaurants. Hindi, peng.
Ping.
Masya na.
Picture obisan din eh, maray say. Sabi nila before.
Mga tindahan. Commercial area. Hindi man ta Mary Grace o nakikita sa taas. O, yan ang akyatan o, pataas. Adali, picture kayo
Kaya
dyan.
mo sumakay dito, Beng? Sa taas?
Oh, picture natin dulo.
Arabella, if you want, ganun yung pagkaano.
Yan, see that's the Taal. Taal. See lang ka.
Wow.
Wow, you stand there. I'll take a photo. Okay, look at here. Look at here. Yan. Oh, come
I
here.
also see another volcano in the distance. Oh, mommy, look at the steps. They're decorated.
Yeah, go.
Look at the steps. They're so decorated. Mama, come here by donut.
Yeah, we lost Ate GM.
No, you pay.
Tanungin natin, I will pay, but tanungin natin si Ate GM kung saan siya bumili kahapon.
Meet us now.
Ha?
Sige na po po eh.
Ay, ito rin, maganda rin dito, oh, ang view. Ay, kalsada na dito pababa.
Babad sa tubig. Ano? Ano ba naman?
Ay, giniinaraman.
Why you take a plant? Salam.
Ang buklay
Because
niya na
I want to plant in
So, look
my
at this.
house.
Look at this. Look at here.
Muris pa dyan ah, oh. Kaya parang may sawa rito eh. Ito na,
Ay, dapat na!
may mga kwan dito.
Naurin na, naurin!